Hello intellects, welcome to Insights for You today. Are you having problems with your in-text citation and referencing? Here are 5 great tips to make your in-text citation and referencing very easy. The first step is that you should write the corresponding referencing for every in-text citation created immediately. The idea is to make sure you don't forget to reference any citation created. I recommend that you quickly write the corresponding reference for such authority as soon as you make the citation. I'll give you an example using APA 7th edition. Just look at your screen. Secondly, I would recommend that you use citation generators. Citation generators are online websites that help you to compile your referencing and your bibliographies easily. They can also help you to do your in-text citation more than you can imagine. There are many citation generators available for you free of charge, like Scriber, Citation Machines, CiteFast, and lots more. These citation generators will automatically generate accurate references and in-text citations for you. You can watch my video on the 3 top free citation generators for you for more details on how to use these free citation generators as well as their websites. The third tip is that you need to be consistent with your citation and referencing style. If you're using APA, stick to it. If you're using MLA citation and referencing style, don't derail. Continue with it. If your faculty or school use Chicago referencing style, don't be inconsistent with it. Stick to your preferred citation and referencing style. Number 4. When you paraphrase, cite the original work using either the narrative or parenthetical citation format. When you quote directly, use quotation marks. In-text citation has 2 formats, either the parenthetical and the narrative formats. In the parenthetical citation, the author's name and publication date appear in parentheses. For example, look at your screen. In narrative citation, the author's name is incorporated into the text as part of the sentence, and the year follows in parentheses. Just look at your screen for a good example. Finally, use quotation marks only when you quote directly, just like this. However, avoid the use of too many direct quotes. Quote directly only when it's very essential. Alright, intellects, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button as it encourages me to make more insightful videos just for you. You can also check out our other great videos on my channel. Kindly subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.